Akwaba Amansane Yena Yedi Kumawood TV.
Alright, I was here Matana Cinema Akwaba and Famra Sinope on Kumawood television and eda ifiada eti ene yatransi aseda enkoma de obostro na obo asase. The first sitting of the 8th parliament ene na ehase kra enra bi se masebejafo omo ewo aban mu the NPP caucus in parliament ahomache be no nan na omo ekoye bi okoye so omo da ho no nwumre no be no nkro ho no na omo eda ho nti ahomache no nan na omo ewo the chamber omo akwajo bakonwa omo twen se bebo no ndu na speaker of parliament beba na omo ache first sitting no ase nei sitting no akoso me no ka say the speaker of parliament honorable right honorable Aban Sumana Kingsford Babin ena etena dwemu a ode atodwa se wonya krata de free mrasebedwani a owo Fomana constituency ho se opeso ni NPP for ebom edijuma enti eni wajiatun ama wa declare the NPP as the majority group in parliament ebenya mre na ya wuram kai majority group in parliament and afi majority caucus in parliament a difference no any SNDA come say bedwamu a NPP and I declare them as a majority group in parliament omo ebetena nifaso eno akwa mo kontem to mu dika kontem nifaso ne no ma chifufu ama osebo NPP fo abone ne no yiri se dane to aba na nkomunya speaker no de am say nka osi no ka bedo so asen pa ewo parliament benyamre na yetimi adi ho enkomo nsemu a the minority leader Haruna Idusu editu dwa and afi the majority leader honorable chairman Sabonso so editu dwa any speaker kokoba wabo masojafo nyina no ebenyamre yatena sie yatumi edi ho enkomo aha Kumawood TV. You are live on Facebook Kumawood TV, live on YouTube Kumawood TV adwenkyere no obeba yenyamre akenkan edi amamede the Michael Nana Adumako obefrɛ me say Mike yenyamre na afi yeni nkomo hyane so se yasi afefoforo emu eronti eneyi ebenyamre be minute adu no na yahwe kwan ya me no me befa so a yebetumi akora sika financial management yesi afimu say ya obia new year resolutions adoso pa we can we na we can we na we na we can we obia wo de opese wo ye e wa afi no mu enso first quarter be kono na de odi si wani so no 10% kwa wan we ya na wunya ntwae second quarter third quarter avina aye we ebedubra bi no e ka be 2 months 3 months na afina kwa na wie ya na de odi si wani so ntimi nya ya e wona ya na ye kwa asore bomba bebrebe na ye boba yi kura fi se wonu se bi osika sama nko yi no e bia na bayifuo bi na ekuremu ebenyamre na ye ne financial experts atenase edi enkomo on how to manage our funds sika akra ba yensem se ye adwuma yetu ye ka bosome se ye ton ade sika ba yensem no kwa ba de betumi akora ne yie na etumi aboa ama minomie no so afi etumi aye goodie ede amaye hyene so se on part 2 na afi amanyosam na nkasa no ebenyamre na ya bawuremu na etumi edi amanyosam no ho enkomo na judicial service say omo atomsa ede afre the honorable minority chief whip Muntaka Mubarak Aswanse member of parliament say justice of member of parliament bi ananko olobi so won to abanam fama former speaker of parliament Reverend Professor Makwe no omo ina no anyasa omo de famra kwa so pa na no na lawyer fo no bi ahase kata say Muntaka kan say the judicial service no actually krata Ghana Bar Association actually krata be condemn statement na o make you know but an your Ghana and member of parliament for Asen Central they be the judge atem Ghana Bar Association for end actually krata be an condemn what is going on we I say me a lawyer for being so ahase almost so eka o my Ghana and the various basic schools across the country on its 21st state and I said in the brief for them since the introduction or the invasion of COVID-19 eba o my mono or the two just say nyame aduma ene I was say basic schools from the crèche to JHS3 omo etimi resume across the country school ne bie maybe what teacher for no bi anko nkola no bi nso anko ebi won so nkola bi koye teacher for no bi nso ekoye ebenyamre na no so ye di ho enkomen say Monday na fully omo share adesua ankasa ase na okwa the schools no mu a ene ye call ye no ade say omo de ato enim say COVID-19 ene omo behia say Veronica bucket hand sanitizers ene ade no enya ade as we speak omo sa atumi aka especially the private schools ebenyamre na no so yetumi edi ho enkomo on Monday and senior high schools across the country and so ebetumi a resume and so ewa ha honkomo ebenyamre na yetumi edi onim say inei COVID-19 no egusu a ekoso yetwam 1440 na yenya chese de bia no yare no kwa na ekọ animu ama enra konfanacha ban sabia mpani for abatu ja se se de yare no manemu so no yanhwe ya na agency mu nti wo pia omode a na ehye nose mask na entumi emwa sanso na hand sanitizer mano ebi emel na horowonsa social distancing practice na afi entumi emwa ma yare ahodo a ebitumi afa COVID-19 mutumi aba no entumi ensi ano enso no so nkomo na enra his excellency any MPP for tutu no mo Greater Accra issue di nkomo na o kire mo say Ghana ni aso pa any the new patriotic party amanyuku no nti omo mo de nya adwuma pa nya adwuma den se de be ya amanyuku no ebe kwa so edi ade na tumi aboa mo man no atumi apagya ya beto dwa and say 23 members of parliament na bi mo ministers of state amunusu seat no it is likely they may not very likely say anhweya na omo ansan enya omo seat no abi twa me hom emra eba ebenyamre na afi yatumi adi nkomo na ya hekwa befa so a ebetumi manage your finances na afi if you are ewura man your mu your views your thoughts and your comment on 0202668464 0202668464 Fabra Ninyamre enkenkan emfa emma. Once again we are live on Facebook Kumawu TV, on YouTube Kumawu TV. Bomode na drop a comment Ninyamre akenkan ede ama. Mitwa mo ba sisi ba ebetu aso.
Ewia, if I shop na me sha de o bag.
Bra ade enna so biem.
Na tell me about me share me see you ba queen why me say.
Bra said the time about Mr. Esia Jimmy ni fearful. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
Ready do this o fa ni nyina.
Bra se me ka se me di time about Mr. ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria we dra ni time about Mr.
Enya nu ko die na nu mato a wontumi anidie no. We dra ni time about Mr. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about Mr. Edre ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atri die malaria ibi ansa.
Ayo se time ni TIME. Time about Mr. Afi malaria fever bi ada ni ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tuato.
FDA ahwe adwadie nkrato yi mo age atomo se eye.
Adi. Oi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could brew. Who said that will complain with Sissini Cocoa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who drank a sepan and neck. You could brew. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you Edusa herbal capsules. And your cocoa needs to see your real drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na eyeme.
Na Edusa ya wasese me bramo buye.
Sweetie, me di komo me mami adwamwa.
Hey! What does ye aye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa judi.
What kaki ya
Edusa pray. Obie timinumbi. I just a pin for. One woman for down for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA ahwehwe sa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye.
Ade na so hu me a wo de bibi osie.
Enya dro ni edro ni esayade. Axco herbal capsules. Team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe eyi ni nyina afiri ho
Me wura me anye bai. Me so metimi anom Axco herbal capsule him.
obetimi anom bedodo na woni Axp herbal capsule eno na ma me sisi yade ni nyina afiri me so a ama me ho atome
Axp herbal capsule hina mani jaba. Also the previous you. As AF herbal capsule, a boost your immune system.
Usasi, the be a channel be checking home.
Mrs. Indiaka.
XP herbal capsule. Ebe bomo sisi na ye kama ma.
2 passes of 1 mama wato.
Ozo de hwe me.
Hey! XP herbal capsules. Fama me, so me kwanu we.
Unya anye dan no.
Yiwani.
You better nya
Axe no pay. Enye na ewo herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu. Bia.
da onya mfie dumi no appeal for any oba or man for intimi mfasa adre.
Sana. Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwesa ejodi enkwato yi mo agi atomo say.
Kumawood TV.
Right, I was saying some Aquaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood Television. Your views 0202668464. In Yamre and Kinkai into me and far and mount. Ura Safo James Safo, a national organizer, credit unions. Ofia also and our sign a manager, Asumbi Credit Union, or a financial experts, other than transmitting Kobo. Yes, you have females, Kassam, and a we are starting here in a million of 200. But I cross by some manager.
Yeah, when you are
Boko. Happy New Year.
The same thing to you. And I'm ready, Medenchia, Emma Ubia in your more Kumawood TV. Ubia Fishapa, some Koma Ghana phone. Yeah, you see, I feel from we say time and time. There's no waiting for no mind. You shall say 1st January as a young in the year 15. Ya pay mo. The people say yet to abete no. Na ne child. The child no. You it may be also we be are also what say ne. The cross so now one show no more ya 31st will come. 31st will go, you cross over, but you are still remain whatever you are.
31st will come.
31st will go, but 1 or 2 no more year, you still remain. You are not crossing over to anywhere.
Okay.
You are still standing at where you are. You shall finish here. As a breaker, you more pray. No be a wrong. Because me mama call last lady now. If you do the car, last lady no, what fun want to jump. Futu ma yina nipa bia wo wiase bia no unya sharp na say you set your goals.
You set your goals.
Your goals for the year. O planning. We bia o management not starting. Na then
but say ebi won so a wo ye bibi no ebi a 2020 no wanwi e na apese oto aso. Then there say we head down plan bia bi na.
As a human being there, planning is part and parcel of you. Planning there you can't do away with planning.
Okay.
Because I feel no unya chance na your beginning they twam. That's why New Year resolutions. Enti dia one year na feel no they twam no. Afatani no say ka 2020 the save be 2000 but minya 1005. Ye ko New Year dia na me ya manya 2000 no. I mean 1005 no. Now say New Year resolutions. You factor it into it.
Okay.
To begin here na and also HRC here. And also be me because started last year na my beginning we do na mre editing.
Okay.
Because last year 2020 the kwaso 31st you say a year of blessings. So for be anka say there will be a global pandemic here, a big grip economy. Me na I thought say even for financial institution, you know, after the banking restructure, no, around first half of the year 2020, you know, it started picking. Now we talk say year never fruitful year.
Okay.
Because from June 2029, I say you know financial sector stabilize it. You say 2020 a growth year. We the financial institutions, you know, then we start. Say expansion because we thought say a picky at the middle of the year no it will flow into the first back 2021 second half of the naka obia atotono yi na one foresee a COVID-19 na twe financial news na ko chire no they catch wa say mark a whole lot.
We will have series of this financial management discussion. And then roughly, you share obi oya benjuma. On ba kona kwa ba be so a obetimi a manage the finances because you say abenjuma no go siska na nsu. Akatuya no kra na bi ase resi ba kra ma anaso bi o bosumi adwuma. Amenka na sabu. Say private or public or bosumi adwuma. Akatuya kra nso go ka bosumi so ade wo de oni to say e be ma no. Wo asa ka to say bia how would such people manage their finance?
Me da CBM. Financial management be no matter how any be at you amount 10,000 as a one control or say expenditure say mark and so internet we are parliamentarian who could feel which I know also need and intra say parliamentarian or other avenues. Other business attracting money about the side. We free parliament here. Now see, Arab from this current parliament, we have 510. We could fee 110 without problem. Why? What you say? Oh, that parliament, you know, where you meaningless in life. One planet, on to no matter how amount to be a bounce, say we see we triple. And so let me see financial aspect one of the channel TV so. They say what I say of late I was there to say the current youth of today say yeah and teach you more be poverty will be their way forward. Remember of late. They spend all their time on the phone browsing, watching unnecessary videos on the other portals. And also a draining money. If you look at the phones and credit iPhone, what do capre? It's not the phone yet, working capital winning.
The phone and Casano.
A working capital.
It means the strategy
business. Doctor phone 2007. Oh, Black Macumame, Tony Ghana. He said, they are going to say they are almost less. If the young crowd will teach you more and maybe there will be a timer. Most of which you know we need anything that the savings account. The data almost spending on the month, you know. So almost quantify to cash here. Almost 5 to this data. If you say in this car. The friend say a power of coins savings.
Okay.
Power of coins.
Power of coins
savings.
Okay.
Coins here Bible to me imu. Through one of the program be the last 2 years Accra in one of the presented power of coin savings. Said the beer don't do fear. Okay, team susu box.
Okay.
Coins the year to be is going to drop into the box. No man 365 days. So on touch it says on to say the year no I end. Well yes sir every day biani you drop the coin into the box. After the year, no, will be a not about 1,500.
Wow, coins don't go on.
Coins don't go on.
If you so come to good Santa table, so don't man for
no good them, no from. We are always working on the money, but we don't value the money. And the savings there, no matter how work you are doing, so we see with three more. No, because savings.
One thing is very difficult. Why you bosumi adwuma? Na katua na kwari bi no 1,000. Obetua na rent, obetua utilities. Obeto fu anase obefa car. Wo ye then what menya bia to.
Can you say who control or say expenditure?
Okay.
Now ja unnecessary buying. Now who focus on the money eba. Savings no your normal be so because your ratio be savings. Ratio is savings.
Okay. You have a ratio.
Ratio is savings.
Okay. I don't know there.
Your 7:3 first
7:3.
Aye.
Okay.
You know 6:4 ratio.
6:4.
This is 2 ratios same in life. Because we nipa o salary nipa say ni na and percent. Wo ji 100% no. E bia me hwe me ho a I can go in for 6:4 ratio because my salary was based on my salary. Okay. And the 6:4 no 60% or 6%, you know. and I'm spending throughout the month.
Okay.
Yes, 60%, you know. And this kind of day, one bra, Bosumi Nina, very defeat, a bunch of money before is go to 60%, you know, or 30%, you know. I was saying with managing effectively. Then 4% now to aside, you know. Don't forget God.
Okay. Nyame di 10%. 10%.
Or 1%.
Abeka 3. Okay.
If I want nyame.
Okay.
Not 3 no. If you say composing or emergency savings.
Emergency savings.
Or compulsory.
Okay.
What set that goes now. Says I scale with you. 3 no. I was saying me shame me so. A mass scale say a down.
A bust.
A mass. Some must 60. And I made you all 7% and I made you so many.
Tiano nyasa me hu akono de bi me kwamoto.
Me call no. You need financial discipline.
Financially you have to be disciplined.
Discipline.
Because obi nya financial discipline. Onye financially discipline na. Ba ko no sunete say.
You need to say honestly no me can be free office e ba kuma TV ya. Me ba kasa. Buy and come me ba no.
Amanfo bi ton e bi a said go kwan no.
Me enka me ho. Because I'm not proud to buy a shirt on my way coming to here. You shirt I say be to baby. And come me proud for the day.
Okay.
Because my brother said we did 60%. And come me budget for the month, you know. So what should I buy a normal 50% you know? If you want to 30 no try no. I want to emma this but now I call.
O sa ko 30 no.
Say what
di abro.
It was also 30 if you go to now you can achieve.
I was here Ugo so Sinupi live on Kumawu TV. You're also live on Facebook and YouTube. What you enjoy with me the aba. O drop on we kan ma so now the bar 0202 668464 we kan at the Amamene National Organizer Credit Union or a financial expert Mr. James Safo and a year common financial management. Was it emergency savings and then you have to be financially disciplined. Sikano man or free man as a Skarakwanya no has a free name. Manager, Mamma Samra, one Monsieur, some common yard. You spoken about 64 and only I say Ubia, Abia, Nema, a year.
Yes.
And our kind 7-to-3 ratio.
Or the quote, or maybe 70 to 30.
Okay.
The same thing.
Maybe I would 1,000 Ghana cedis. What is our once I was so many?
Because we don't know what kind of news will be. And you also say 7:3 or 70:30. Because based of the original. And now overspend it 70%. Try and maybe me as a little a man of tongue nomana or my mano. Well, wait the man was one of the man miscatting actually. Ubi actually miscams no. Bay it means him scat. Can't you know Papa 2 would no tomb. Say by a far. Second, the easiest way for baby to have a fan easy. But who called you no? One yet I stock or stock to over inventory taking. ABS car do a business in 2,000. The profit money for a month be cry 300 Ghana cedi.
Okay.
Udu juma body chama no to. Ubapa boss e out for. You no o turn on by heart. If you day no expense cha obey in care no. Profit na ba no a day no odi aboro.
Okay. Faso a obenya no in a day no. A car bono doors the same faso no.
Enti in the long run no. Finance na capital na odi ko. As we say boso mo also utua ho ka. So who the go for the business now we na.
Maybe next week you be ba omo mo yanka san ye omo dwuma. Omo me be dwuma man say director. Ni omo yanka san mo bi mo dwuma so no. Omo so dia na wo so omo ye. Nti ye nhwe ebi obi won so ne de na nso. Mfa say o ka 60-70 60-40 ne 70-30. Obi won so a akatua no fia bi nti na expenditure ne kura no ebro ne income na so ono so be ne dey.
What you say, Mamma say, Rebecca, normally schools Yamako. A idea a Kele Ghanaian businessman woman, working capital pa
school. No,
yet no man, I say, ye nibi. Obey no the better financial on bill. But of finances, obi yɛ suatra manafi bakɔ school we me bakɔ bi o capital cannot afford.
And I'm compared to me say about 4 years. I said 1,500 Ghana.
You see I meet you me a manager the school na me makɔ school no me binti o makɔ so ma kɔje three different schools options me hwɛ de obi yɛ na makɔ yɛ bi
comparisons no
yes
ma sɔre bani obi kɔ atumi ka sɛ ɛyɛ na pefirima no ma de bi kɔ atumi ka sɛ asoma sikura de bakɔ school wi na me a me yɛ wi me bakɔ wi di ada yi ni fi hɔ
hwɛ me ma za fo bi me boss me eduma na de mo na eduma ne yɛ paa no nya challenge around 2015 ho na eduma there is a crisis in eduma na ma kɔ school engine the badges here
okay
class 5 o twa over 1,006 a month per each student also manager you see if you nye and kwano school mi yuma fi akọ opukwa basic what trust what say no say and then the best authority and the boss why you know what church mu say you see what share kind situation we do and the finance e ban say ma o continue one and education make o make kwam but had a better option so my boss withdrew his case from that school they all went to opukwa basic.
Wow.
And then two are from secondary school, Akko University. Because of planning. Say it is not only now say any pay you do man say it's a financial system no. Hey, yeah man me no be ha na the pay 500 Ghana a month. As we see the boss say boss me bia no boss 50 Ghana no. Within 2 years autopoto sa you know oye no. I didn't try because the financial discipline or fair some catch say we will hear here say yeah and we share on talk about dey expensive
wa we niska no
yes
when I was say this year afia ya simu no
o to ade expensive
o beto ade ane boarding na say ade papa
na it ma last year am
oh okay
me wedding 2010 sure am dey wedding na sure be da so
okay to papa
me dey ba so
since 2013
2010 na me wedding
2010 oh okay
so and sure be to no ada ma fie bi ni na ba chero ayon wa na me na fie me to no mo no and then ba so ayon
no sisu bi o se ye ne aye niska no
yes
ye ne wo se ye to ne ma ye papa na acha ma ye
na ya nya import buy basa
right say ye niska ne to fosu
there be
20 Ghana
fosu no so e bi quality ato ade atare no wa hodin say wo to man 9 na ompam ya what do you add more
want to man 9
nya mpam wo to say opam ase na see as say mark ubi atare opam me
yeah
fataw wo be for kra unya sheri na nsi wo so to atare for ego
waste of money
wo lo capital
oh okay
yes capital na ebitumi amama onye service no wo ato ade ya ma value a fixed cost also you value factor etene internal normal bank say who pay loan bank ya o bana say ukusi dan ya ni yebo say obi source of income
okay in scan free
because if you monthly sky obi na so ya loan e mo betu ya because you can create business e ma fast
okay be ko kamu a
e dan ya fixed cost
yeah
but you go for normal variable cost e be tene the bank ntro ba o ko e da ukusi dan na moduma ya boso ne say na unya na say say wo so inflows you don't know what kusi da no bit betu alo no
but manager what make key point be I think we say yen ayi niska e we say yen eto ade a e papa na etimi ache and you say TV na auto papa say ayo na auto papa say atare na auto papa na etimi ache ama again we say no matter what sika de be ma oboso me so we discipline kwan dia so to me see o ba bi oni be na bia mete ba adwuma TNT nkwan akura no wo de check akatu ya wodia eno nkwan de obedi kura no boso so a okura wo baka kura wachiri eni ho sa is not possible
say mark wo de say wo duma ya che
yeah
no ina na ye ka financial e be bi my wife police officer me chene trance me ya emo adwan ko ye noa now abafo de I always admire them. Okay. One reason why abafo ye kuka yɛ normal da se ma fɛ mo eco waste
no wi na mo na se nyina ahye
ko so no waste kuka ma ito yɛ white kuka ibi di ase nyina di yɛ measure and uso wo financial discipline no me no oda planning and management
planning na yɛ baako
in management
and management so another way
plan say dey bia boso bia me dey beto that's the plan
enti yɛ ka sɛ obi ebi a ɔyɛ adwuma sika ba ne nsɛm afi wontimi save we be at 10 Ghana cedis class we speaker
yes that's in the panel
on planning
I'm say it's a ball your ball be na game na achaze you because the team no me study na 10 time na match go your ball per game no as achaze to so be the say I feel your ball na also ko new year resolution I know 24 na e be fie no planning
you break with a no.
You are coming to us. Also, we are inventory stock taking in your life. And then they call wrong throughout the year. Man, to match you. The people say they are enjoying Kwan. The people for Chrome, let me play beer. I drinking sport. We don't know you to me worries. But we will be 2 bottles, 20 and then 20. Now say the rest. Fair? Me, the piano, me save me part of my life.
Okay.
The phones will be disabled. My phones. The phones be disabled the piano. Because me that I was sure about. Fair? You know the best thing I'm very sure because I say every employee piano the very first time I ever employed with Momono, you start planning for
where is it? Okay.
They therefore the man now planning for what was it?
They never for you man.
They start planning for yours it.
Okay. On
your retirement package, plan it. Because when we on the line, the total with 6 months savings at the baby can. Okay. Then can say composite, savings, What's you buy covered by a call low down? Yeah, you go for a crown with him or my him. We just have a couple of Russell's car. Yeah. Or fencing car. That compare and again, I'm going or you know, so I was an info you pay now, ready. And so no, I saw no pa. Eddie, a gmoo, I would do. Maybe I may be a gentle one. Okay. Because I 5 cities, I bet with the jam pa. Me, I mean, salary miserable. The same reference, but I know she's a bit with the jam pa. Don't forget to be paid in one mingle. And let me try to be one of the show. Yes, Katia. Now, oh, that you are. What that you because. And until I will use you at don't follow the crowd and commit a crime. Okay. Maybe 2 way as a manager. Who said you could be to Kula, not Patoban Kunu Quality? If you saw some come up. Yes. I did see now. Okay. Missing 10 cents to the German. They see him breath no. Then you know what? Next week, a day. And the army. The way I would see at 2 woman. Oh, maybe 2 way. Go to the poor. Now, company be that Bible or pay me more was Emma lunch. I'm lunch again. So, won't open him there. Okay. Now, I'm not lunch. I'm going to go to Mama bye. Mr. Kamoto. Minim ade beto oba ochina iti etwa ntun ya say e second afo nya sha afina se no ya sate mrana asate ya no ebika de e bo pre obi o say on your mask okay wonya kan gaset pre na sate wane ma me ready message kakra around for the aba we say Mike I'm listening to you the financial expert management as financial messaging from in fact Thomas minya message not clear we say good afternoon sir Mike in fact this is very brilliant discussion ongoing impulse buying is one of the cause of our poverty in the community. I think you guys are doing well. Okay, Christian and so the Abanon we say good evening sir, please ask the receiver to pay us because he has stopped the payment. Okay, Mr. Nipa receiver no egusu a eni panifu edin kobo we say hi sir Mike,
Thanks so much for this opportunity. Please ask your boss for me. How can I manage with a few amount that comes to me every month? Few amount. And the manager can say, "Hey, I said that." Anyway, man, you be busa that question. No, I think we be so deba ewa. But say, good evening, sir. I like the discussion going on. Kindly tell the man to be a regular panelist. Okay. I know everything come on here. So binyamra, na amomre, na na inyapa. Binyamra, I don't know. Ebisia. Particular also Western Region Axim Enzima FM. Okay, live. Patrick, Yachiao and enumerate himself for Bia and Hi, sir. How possible can I convince my wife to accept financial management whilst I'm away? I don't know the question there, but we say money go where? The money this kind of man or man with the nina. Yes. But the man or man with the nina. No, because a better man with me convincing the wife.
That's why Bible says when I eat when you do ya. When I say we can't get into your fee. Me was supposed to know fee. The ne say ne you never be appreciate us akrabia udi.
Okay.
Yes.
And you say Mama phone go call no dey no busa say ene me no amu na mo be di den.
Oni control. Yes. Na say be ye beto ye ma me papa no. O ba na dis one na udi. Ye beto ye ma me papa no. Who pay ba dis one na we dey. Udi. E mu be say adwane e bi ni ma chaso e na wuchiri. E mu sa so ba dis o be di. And say no your name say o be di dey. Uni option. O pa na hwe. Wanu ade wo na udi na udi. Ko bi na anu fufu. What we see on a waste of money.
Was in the year no better with me.
Don't be a man. One was say or coachy or bano. Okay. Some man, you move the family together. And then you say a day. See, can't let them money be or say value. Say nay and crown. Let's set them down. Say if you are saying a day. Say the be fast and then say a cocoa will be also be because little money.
Yeah, I don't see can
little money no. Maybe not me attachment to all. I can't call begin na e man enye twa be ka no. Na me ba from Asqua abakom na ye ba ko na ba duma.
Okay.
Around 2002. Ya je your first alawan ba no. Alawan ba no. One of could ya bre ya faka. On the Sikai.
Move from the beer to me cover.
Say that I could tell you,
Scadabema.
You fear kind of Jack. You fucking your brain. That day, oh, yeah, be a fucking from the
say, as would you first be. I said, there, I bet you pay no dear.
Okay, not so I come me. I think I've come back to this now. You will say, you're making mistakes. Dark, scab check here, sir. You talk about your number route. You do level, no. Or you do level back.
Me too uncommon as here. Another way a higher pound, so no. I say, yeah, they want to crofo. My classmate, where you more have. Can't win with them. You might win or yeah, down in West Sea. The million so now I say. But I think that
I said, we never can afford a baby. My Tom, my first car, no, we used to go to a Delhi Edmond Rounds. We are the money to so. No. You feel a missing, young level, we are Uncle in for car. Because it's from Okada mine, I must say, a cry. I can buy every car and pay. Maybe if you know Bruno, Mom, what time if you know new level beer, a new roof level.
When you are watching so,
not going for car. But the bomb so, just a stone throw. What should I use money to purchase a car?
Wow. Yeah. What's in Mebuno? Sikapa, this kind of woman, some zoom. My colleague be home a phone way put me. When was 7 hours, say, say, phone way pa now wish. I cry uncle, I see you stuff.
Me say, me tell no, I macrobia over my phones. Or I'm just football also. And now, Obama was a phone be, I say, iPhone Pro Max. And I'm saying, I'm chilling. Come now, we know that phone. One of the main fashion of phone fashion say pa. I'm saying to make a call and to receive a call. That they make passion phone. And put off 100 million. I talk at the minute what did that gain? 100 million to talk maybe 0.5. I'm saying maybe me manager, but me talk sign no man. I'm saying me cry phone call me there for course. Hello, they said I feel also manager what come as some okay na me cry ma manager man also. Ono dey be say me to no. Boss. What can I say pa? But you to dey yes ram because and then data and then no hwe ayi na the phone all the next person now testing now 30 year short series we go one independent YouTube contract
yeah
we share every single day
the more now no so
yes ka
ko Facebook says here ko
so Facebook so we say because journalist come more because youth na phone kuta no o phone no okay capital
okay
o ma me no open bi no nya ska all you going for flashy things wa me no open no omodima tunko na bi nka oni unuam ntafe ya hya se na de ya srega na ni bia se savings de e fe ni agro o se afira hya se ya tiche wa na ya wo de 15
sure
ye be twana January ko February ko on plan ya 31st will come and it will go. You still remain where you are. You will never cross over. Obaye a standstill. Iti yesere obi a say sakunya yenye obi a fa to be as ayi bi afutu a yewo.
Okay. Papa number to bia na sorry bi ana say group bi pese eja mu invite.
Ah, say ni ya so obe fa kuma wu TV aza. Because all of our come TV a untimi nya manager e ma wasole e me eno group na say mark so because o fe require am say contact me boss okay because one na any member ho me number is 0246 58 70 69 abribia ofra ibunyame na eye futuo ne adwenkyere nyina to na obi abrabo atumpo ke da maspa
manja enso da ase say asumde credit bi e koso kaba
oh nyana roma ye sha afia cd bi akoboko
so fo no so bie
fo ni bie ndi se open savings fa open loan fa ho oba akonya da ho
ye kra enche data ba ho na ja
data dey say what abri nyina say akonya da ho ma data no no da nemba
see this year dey eba
atia da maspa
okay nti manja number na da so nti bia na opese unya manager na din komo a opese sorry na asa dwumaku bi mu invite no be ma mu education financial management am friend wa se manja so bi kura bi adwuma na ebi opese oba kire adwuma efo no no ankasa ko be fa to the sika the balance sheet ni ade nyina ha no
consultation na ye consultation ye ma obi a ye ni nyina man sorry other groups bi a especially dwumo forma any group bi a opɛ sika semu kyerɛkyerɛ de no nkyerɛ ye eduma na nsi bi a loan kwa and also part of the banking.
Right, I was James Safo, a financial expert and a mote ninka national organizer credit unions and a mote ninka me try me home abasisi ya na ba Sir Wallace Abepio Eufia Sanso and Minia Bernard and so Eufia Benyamre na yaton what twene so yabasisi ya
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrel. Who said that will complain with Sissini Cocoa. Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrel. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you do say herbal capsules. And you cook ni Sicilia drink sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
And you Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And my memejina brand. Na a yemme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasa se me brabo buye.
Sweetie, me come on mama adwamwa.
Hey. dance ye aye juma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa judi.
Wakaki ya
I'm sorry. Obie timinumbi. I just paying for. One woman kwadano for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA ahwehwɛ saa adwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Ade na so hu me a wo de bibi osie.
Enya dro ne dro, dro ne yesayade. Axco Herbal Capsule. Team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe. Eyi ni nyina afiri ho.
Me wura, me anye bai. Me so metimi anom Axco Herbal Capsule him.
Metimi anom bedodo. Na woni XP Herbal Capsule. Eno na ma me sisi yade ni nyina afiri me so a. Mama me ho ato me.
XP Herbal Capsule hina ma ni jabba. Nso de bibi osie. XF Herbal Capsule e boost your immune system.
Ejento so de. Usisi da bia chia na ebi chia kan ho. Me sisi ndi aka ho. XP Herbal Capsule. Ebe boa mo sisi na ye kama. 2% one no mama ho ato. Ozo de hwe me. Hey! XP Herbal Capsules. Mama me, me so me kwanu we. Unya anye dan no. Yiwani.
Ngura. Ni be da nya bi.
Axe no pay. Enye na ewo Herbal any pharmacy shop dodo na mu.
Da onya mfie dumi no. Apinfo ene oba o ma no fo entimi mfasa adu. Afana.
Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwe saa ejodi enkrato yi mo age atomo sei.
Right. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Yaba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumewood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winano baby. Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
If I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brad, and not so bien.
Not only about Michelle, I see you about Queen, why me and say,
Brad, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Brad, and because I made the time about Misha one dance ya, we are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
And you go, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear Wama Kodano for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the town about Mr. Drabino. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
Kayo sa time near TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever biada ni ziba e woman.
FDA
Right, Famra Sinopi. Live on Kumewood TV, live on Facebook, live on YouTube. We just watch na see. Mama Kwaba na fi inyamre ni kumene the 8th Parliament first sitting akwaso ama Speaker of Parliament Honorable Kingsford Sumana Aban Babin etmi edi atuja say ohe krata na nsa aka edi free member of Parliament from na ehwa or declare NPP as a majority group in Parliament. Benyamre na the home enkomo the call by the judicial service for Muntaka to appear before them with the evidence or the 8-year bribery allegation enkomo Supreme Court also enkomo over the week and also hearing no and I said the first sitting of the Supreme Court election petition and so also any other issues are Bernard honorable honorable Ajiman Bernard Techi, a deputy youth organizer, Efija Secretary East Constituency, and then Honorable Assembly Member Dawu Tabre Assembly. Honorable Ababa.
Yeah,
we have a career.
Oh, young pardon. I was away.
I read a book. Why effect?
Why
flew by?
Said, why buy or power dear son? Papa found, he said. Papa more or more position more so.
Why buy or power?
When you come to Mutum Kwan and cry, oh, of him, sanity.
Okay. Sir, one last of the administrator, NDC Ashanti region. Admin Yakaba,
you're dying.
Be able to call
about the other my team. Bernard, say number of Bermuti, one, Yasano, just one by nearby Moody, just a movie at you, Bobby. Zanoka.
was not about Bamutan, why if he?
Na, or more money about him. I'm coming here.
So was why if
so not you. The more why if any cancer, I'm hoping you have a camp. Why if I say why if Freddie and just I don't know what type.
Why if I was so Papa.
Also, meaning if you the same crew.
Yeah, it made it fly not 2 years now. Women organizer, deputy, NPP for Agona Mod. I was Jamasi for Don. And
the only time I Jamasi
versus Dow. Dow.
Conformity who could go
Dow. And this is we
if we just a change contest.
Just a change. Young Cotier, the Honorable Speaker of Parliament, at the 2 join there. Obra, Omoko first sitting. Na Yemra, Emerin Comofia. Young Cotier.
I received a letter from one of your colleagues, the Honorable Andrew Esiema Amwako, the Member of Parliament for Fomena constituency. The member that is holding the balance in this house. I have the letter in my hands and I'll proceed to read the contents to all of you. The letter emanates from his office and is dated 13th January 2021. The Right Honorable Speaker, Office of Parliament, Osu, Accra. Dear Sir, declaration to do business with the MPP caucus. I, Andrew Esiema Amwako, an independent member of Parliament for Fomena constituency, and now the second deputy speaker for the A Parliament, do hereby declare that I shall, for purposes of transacting business in the House, associate with the MPP caucus in the same Parliament. For the avoidance of doubt, I do hereby affirm that I shall cooperate and collaborate with the MPP caucus in the 8th Parliament. Dated this 13th day of January, dated this 13th day of January 2021. Yours faithfully, signed, Honorable Andrew Esiema Amwako, MP constituency, and copied to the leader of the MPP caucus. Honorable members, with this official declaration to the House will accord him the space to do as he has stated. Whatever he said outside was of no effect so far as the business of the House is concerned. And therefore, he had to do it officially for it to be read and captured in the Hansard. And so what we have now, you have the New Patriotic Party wing or caucus in Parliament, together with the independent member of Parliament from Fomena, and they now constitute the majority group.
You are desperate indeed. You are desperate for a win indeed. Is that all? You are desperate indeed.
I received a letter from one of your colleagues.
Right. Yes, I am Makwaba. We the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Aban Sumana Kingsford Babin, and Motenenka declaring the NPP and independent candidates as the majority group in Parliament. Bema, Akwaba you.
Yeah, I mean,
good. This year, our Marseille if we last week. You go the Speaker of Parliament, ABC Enra, and there. It was a machine. I say Moncro for MPP for no. I think this 8th Parliament never very interesting. Say it be quite a job, be quite machine. And I know per 6:30. I may say me follow no. Now members of Parliament are sitting. I'm going to change speaker. Speaker about 10 o'clock. MP say him say nanka enka ne kwa nanka Parliament kwa no do no head anko. Ini omo kwa na jo. Ekoda. Means you, 8th Parliament, and matters are rising.
Yeah, you know, that's it. Answer na maybe Karakasano. Next year, I have 4 ni a TF Chia assembly members here, such as South District, the DC, any MP, honorable members in Council Board, any youth groups who are a war if just a Alpha Patriots, Loyal Ladies. IYP, Jamase, Youth Patriot, any Domase, Abrakaso, Blank Ceremony, Kelitomo, MC Hamofomina, Michel, any constituency executives, any Mikum for me, Pessu Asofuna, Michel. Na any other phone na the medical can say, me, everyone. The Biamecan said the crop of NDC MPC no one. I don't know. You know maybe when you want to a free.
Oh, same.
Like, won't say parliamentarians.
No, please.
They almost buy.
No.
Almost buy parliamentarians.
No. Why should you see that?
Yes. Now the no year parliament na enti you can say answer na dey honorable be man no enye title keto. You can say honorable a o say obi a odi ne hu ni odi mu obu no ho. Any friend honorable and yes say bia MP no ye MP nature say we honorable suban usuni uban a obetre and is nipa we dey or your honorable so what you say it is here to abama na Ghana ye die nti na kwotena parliament na ko butu ballot box a na faso be na wo so na ye friend honorable
no but the fact say e bia nipa ba ko na me no bi I am from so no it does not mean
say Mike so Mr. Mike unsa ebia unhu erohu 4th Parliament, 5th Parliament, 6th Parliament, 7th Parliament, and I owe 80. Would they had the crop of a year never ho? Do a jahomo, and this is for never end beside.
70% that's all as we speak now.
Oh, but the crop no make us the crop wa ababeka on the omua ababeka on and say one. Almost no mobile and say honorable. And you can say from honorable.
The minority side.
Yes.
But one majority side no say behind wrong.
Now the way is comport to you. You can say enke retaliate and kada de nka hunu de be so parliament. So here say mu bi te a whole parliament no mo yesa. Nke beti me nyakoma atena sisi ye.
Na so nya honorable.
Oh yes, say do o mu nya honorable yin so nya honorable ne ye hu fi. Sir John the kind or so no be diagro. Now would you not conso? Now what's in a tear your home? Now be the honorable no one Tibian and one. If I time to Quanoa, asa. It's no think your coffin to me, but your coffin me the buo amo pa so the way we see comport or mono. A year papa because you can see and care young parliament in Kensi. You can debate see your Kenya papa. When you mom we one him say for mena MP no where dia NPP ni and we declare say NPP no be business. It's the na e dia na mo nti am kwotena majority side. Me wan so
that time no na obia no enye member of parliament. Now they were elect members of parliament. Na nyan so mu. Okay, so mean. Argentina 2017 or man kwotena majority side. And at any time.
Obia
ni mse na de yefanya adwuma 137 and no aka na bonten and you know say emremu no the speaker of parliament will not take as much kana bonten the man na ye adwuma into the work we ready e dey akire Ghana nyina say member of parliament no independent no so one MP na be business sisi na MP be majority e dey na ba ye ma mo MPs no omukotena ho ahomache no 9 ibi mu ka say mu ko no miensa na omu e wo ho ehu ba na abo MPP.
Oh, you so parliament there, you started business, almost started business 9 to 10.
10 o'clock.
Yes, and almost started business. But any panels will feel no or person or be or queen knows be a parliament here. No kwa him at here. And your bonnet move parliament in Maraso. But you saw ultimacy. Yes, move parliament in Maraso until Mukwa him at here, and you who be one is Rono, and this is for no minority side, and one is Rono. Yes, Robia. Iti yɛnkɔfo no kɔ hɔ ɛnyɛ bɔne mu no mkɔ ebu ha no bi ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ revise ne nneɛma bi na onya atmosphere no yie sɛ ya obetimi ayɛ na yi.
So na mo yɛ okay sɛ speaker declare mo sɛ mo yɛ majority.
Oh, na sɛ NDA no obi enu sɛ obvious yɛ na ɛbɛ majority. Speaker no kora no yɛ aware sɛ ɛbɛ majority because for me na MP no yɛ deɛ ɔde bɛka ho. Ana speaker na yɛnya no nso mean sɛ ɔbɛyɛ fair and firm. Because obiara nim babin ni su ene ne ban se ono hwe NDC mu no a utim so ono danso kakra onye two partisan yeah nti ye ogide onimu se 8 parliament we no eniema be kose de ekọ pepepe na omonye omaje se bia omonye speaker ntinu e bia mo be ye niema bi we kura be kipu MPs na omo aka de boycott by do lunch de no makọ akwaje ubo ko to parliament no akwatena fitiri edu lunch na wa beje no akodi bosumi so na akwaje aso botom uze minority omuni oman no hodo ba kokora ni omumu.
Now they are calling for equal distribution of committees in parliament. Say 137 there. Various committees in parliament was here chane pet nti ABS interior committee NDC ni ebitimi a chair.
No, any possible, sir. Because you know, once speaker declare majority am I no, or see any chair committees no, majority side in the chair committee no. Na minority na ranking members. Sa na no. It won't mean country me say when you have be the chimpe. There be any be possible, sir.
Do you think sir Ebeha NPP with this crop of parliamentarian number yenya no parliament 137 na kibin sida?
Oh, once afibia ne de AC you say Ghana democracy no ye ti ase pa and bitie honorable Eric Opoku eye esunafo MP ewo radio station yeah bitie ne sem no kana say sa sem no de be adwuma de a you say nka ebeboa moman ne atumpon say the man panyi kan say yenye citizen me yenye spectators so sa no honorable Okupuku ene ne minority no so mo de be adwuma de a nso nka betimi akwen ebeboa ama ya depend democracy. Yeah.
Right, I was going to go so edin come for agent channel bra 0202668464 0202668464. Yeah, the happenings in the 8th parliament and their first sitting Mrashabija for Omo Ekoye speaker Ajatumu upon a series of deliberations. It took almost 2 hours before speaker 8 me abetena say omo timi ahwe ameki decision ama ehun say NPP and independent candidate na kan bom speaker say independent candidate no ono na say no wodi ni mere pa parliament for agent cerebral na enkenkan empama say walas ababiu the happenings in the 8th parliament and na say tom ko ye if you na jo ehun kobo mentio
yo Sir Yenchia Ghana for you now. Mamuti, dear, when you say, won't you be no friend? On conscience, sir, on far TV no and to come out TV. Your monk come on. An American radio, and if you just eat for me every year. Your constituency, your friend of you just east. Or a district, your friend of such a south. South. You try. As much as Fijasa East, this is a South in NDC 4, NPP 4, CPP 4, Ubia. Starting from Jamasi, Akota, Breni, Akodewini, Akobuni, Collector, Amanasi, Correct, Kakra, Domini, Amanasi, Ballector, we are watching what we do. We are watching our co-writer and our collector. If I see Sarko Street and our collector, Cococheswa or Yamu Kumo, you will pull
Zara ngamu we ni DC ngabe di power go nim ho nim pono
yo do abraka so yo adomi abra yo moso yo yamanchini yo bedumase yo afamaso yo bipwa yo friend say kofikum
ngora se yanko yanim ko ndoso
yo ko fonso ni yo kwa man ene yo friend say karo dumase na kuna hona expected to baby on expected to me tell be a Canaan for million people. Very unfortunately, the Bernard started too bad. To say the crop of NDC for more parliament, or more fata say or more parliament.
That's what I'm saying.
Or more fata say or more parliament.
Very, very unfortunate.
If you put yourself, wow, TV, you put yourself against Muntaka, and I say you put yourself against Harun Naidu, you put yourself.
This one musu eno mobile man kase. Musu no no mobile fata say omoye parliamentarians. Ende maka bibia no
adisa o kasa no mentia. We mu dane no musu eno mobile a wo de kan we no fata so na kasa.
Make say honorable, na make say amakofi bo ati baby. You could see say ebi ani papa akomi no miensa bi na ene bi omoye entwa yi.
Na kasa the crop of idea wo nyina 137 no obi an fata say oh we are.
And you are not also fair to me. You are not also fair. Say o single out the NDC. Oh bra unim say meba unim say me amete hey. Me nkotam ballot box and ballot paper nwane. But we have an honorable member in your side that okofa ballot papers edwane ye. One condemn the act no.
Na sa Jomahama kasa ma esa statement was I don't know. On we hu say the crop no ebutu ballot box o kan ho asem. Enye dey no condemn me. To be as well, yes.
So all of you, mun deserve.
Ono ya mpanyin anko be kasa na ko akatira fa nu o munyan ye nyina Ghana for etie mumie nka mumie mu o man ni ye no. Ono no ba no be ka fa afa na o ja ne de no. Na o kata ne de o so twa ntuma o de niam agu so. Na o kan ye de. Enti mi de mi hu ye no. Mi ntimi enka se kinchira de tin wan ka ha sei because e bia ono no o hwe no ba bia o hu ye no me so mi hwe TV no. Na me ni ho ba me hwe TV no be side me hu ye no me hu say minority no omo na misbehave e o parliament
enti wo Bernard out we wo fata say wo ye assembly member of Fijasa East no be fata say wo ye NDC ni o parliament of Ghana. That is what you are saying.
Me say omo su no mobile
me say wo su no buy a wo de kan we no kura wo wu ade say 137 people omo semra no omo boa me semra no omo fata say omo fata say omo ho de omo free on ndi MPP for nko antan no omo semra. That is what you are saying. What's the idea is that?
I mean, opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion. But
your opinion.
Yes. Maybe a foolish opinion. As a person, I'm entitled to my opinion. It will come as him. Let me come as him. Don't attack my opinion. Yes. Baby say okay, maybe kasa na makama asem. enti so wo asem bi
kan. Me start 7 cars na house aba. Ah na me start 7 be na za take over.
You take over say man take over. Say the all kind of men twem ma unken nyansa.
Mo o twem ma me.
Me twem ma unken nyansa.
Na man twem wan kan wi.
Ma me twem ma sisi a.
O ka say man twem wan kan wi.
That twem ma sisi a.
I mean try to my opinion.
Na me da me nye. Ati. Oi.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dread a day. You could debrel. Who's a dow complaining with Sissini Cocoa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrel. Winning a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And your cocoa needs to see your real drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Otsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma memme jina brand. Na yemme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasa se me brabo we.
Sweetie, me bi komo me mama adwamwa.
Hey! What dance ye aye juma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What kaki? Yeah,
Edusa Dre. Obie timinumbi. I just paying for. One woman kwadano for. Any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
Ade na so hu me a wo de bibi osie.
Enya dro ne dro, edro ne ne sayade. Axco herbal capsule. Team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe. Eyi ni nyina afiri ho.
Me wura, me anye bai. Me so metimi anom Axco herbal capsule him.
Metimi anom be dodo. Na woni XP herbal capsule. Eno na ma me sisi yade ni nyina afiri me so a. Mama me ho ato me.
XP herbal capsule hina ma ni jaba. Nso de bibi osie. XF herbal capsule. A boost your immune system.
Ejento so de. Usisi da bia cha na ebi cha kan ho. Me sisi ndi aka ho. XP herbal capsule. Ebe boa mo sisi na ye kama.
Two passes a one mama water.
Also, they show me. Hey! XP herbal capsules. Mama me, me so me kwanu we. Unyanye dan no. You wani?
Me be da nya bi.
Axe no pay. Enya na ewo herbal any pharmacy shop dodo na mu.
Da onya fie dumi no. Appeal for any oba or man for intimi mfasa adru. Afana.
Right. Yes, I'm Akwaba. Fanya channel Brown 0202 668464. Yeah, discuss the 8th parliament and asete na homokoye issues a ekoso ne enra na adwo de MPP mrashibujafo no ebi eko eyeye say homokoko da hokra na omo achen the first sitting so interesting in our country Haruna Idrisu a leader of the NDC our parliament that to say sabredi ehun be hia say NDC na MPP eko abomu no matuma di juma no be say NPP for na say omokasa enye hwam na omunya the lobbying skills omo be the consensus our parliament na enya dia van se obi abe on se me na ye mo abe mu omo ahwe no mo ye ne sa dia ahwe ya na amfa sumdie entumi ama se walas so as one
only across ye independent member of parliament mo amunim no ye MPP ni a oye MP e wo formula until 2020 elections enti omo koye omo primaries and the chairman of Hono say, only they want to me any no any. Na say, Omoyo mo primaries no. Na a siame. Oye na just a delegates no mo bia 500 500 5 million. Ono chairman no di kusi no. Obema obia 15 million 1500. No mo butu etia a chairman or incumbent member of parliament at that time. Na sa omo ye onto abano. Na incumbent member of parliament no primaries no unya mano mako 40 kura ono kusi no odina konya odina itumi adi no beto e position o be resign. Kwasinti good thank you. India basa no na MP ne se pam no utwa no akwasi 1,500 nipa 600 o de multiply o 9 million in person we see no matwa sai main contest primaries no di kura e no me yo mo primaries e na do winning ye ti do say ye ko file with the electoral commission amoma contested seat no ɛna ɔsi mi ɛkɔ kɔntɛkɔ ɛna ɔkɔ faale sɛ ɔn de ɔkɔ independent ɔkɔ faale ɔkɔ independent yɛ pɛ heaven broke loose 5th of November 2020 ɛna wa faale awie Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo kɔɔ fam na hɔ kɔyɛ rally eti deɛ ɔkan yɛ Akufo-Addo disappointed in former MP decision to contest as independent candidate 5th November 2020. President Akufo-Addo says he is disappointed in the former MP Andrew Sasiama for refusing to heed his advice to contest as an independent candidate. Addressing chiefs and people of Formana at Edeba as part of his tour in the Ashanti region, he disclosed that he engaged Mr. Siama to resign his decision. This, he said, fell on deaf ears since the incumbent MP went ahead to file his nomination as an independent candidate. I told him that he cannot really do anything in Parliament, which is mainly dominated by political parties. So if it is any issue that has caused him to be angry, she should let the matter rest and trust me as president to adjudicate to an issue, but he did not listen. There is a videotape. I will join platform. I will kasafa the yeke. I will be in an okase one timi any nyejuma. Na osuma age num boaten se onko frɛ asiema no mra. Wamba na ni nso ade obi na ni nso ade de ontimi any nyejuma. O declare no so independent of file ya pe NPP for say the constitutional provision no chere say so parliament in the name of a party now decide say o cross capital and I say who change position na o status na you forfeit your seat until John Bodu your secretary to let come up member at the speaker of parliament say papa we or the chairman no ye MPP ni he went in the name of the MPP also ye contact ro until mra no chere say as see a permanent free parliament and a speaker no every year juma and ye pampa pay free parliament MPP for the pam no ye ko to aba na papa ya ko win o we ni wie ya na MPP for started Ahakra dey say MPP disowns former MP for running as an independent candidate omo we ni wie ya afi omo pare chew o say we erred in dismissing you from our party MPP for Neka nti womu na ekoduru say ya to abayi e say yi the speaker of parliament ya ko to abayi ye 275 members of parliament no na echebu pe for ye chempe no ye chempe no one of adi say universities here ka so school fees ni shele be chempe nti 137 wa ha 137 wa ha na asiama aye contekro nti wa the decider nti ye status ye pochino na we so status say o mo pochino yakoto aba ni ba 275 no ya tu wie ya no na ye di kai Michael Kwei edie ko kai Michael Kwei dia no wenya 136 out of 275 in the police opposition ni say na ba ko say ye adwen ni say sadeye 275 ba ko afiri mu amana 276 ni akai na wenya 176 dia na 136 na che say dia kai 138 no eye NDC for edia and we say despite that na see kai nti akenkai mu no ena Carlos Ahinkra ono woye MPP ni omo kaya dia idibi wan so odina che mensa bosu nchei kamu video no obi ehuru bi na che mensa bosu ti wo honorable ena Carlos honorable John nchei ena omo ye we se afi we se no obi nso gina honorable che mensa bosu na nim e ben ba bi omo count we se no obo no se soro ho oni akro no soro kwa Carlos Ahinkra e de chaw wa moa papers here kai wa moa bi mo hu no amenka na mo hu omo ye honorable parliament ho wa moa papers bi e na odimrika e na esano who is more dishonorable than such a person Yes, sano kiki ya komo ano ya chim ya bona pempem pan. Say nipa we yenka so onye adi honorable. Yenka se won fata parliament ho. Obi ono bo modern mo prevent this person from doing what he shouldn't do no. Ono yes won fata so parliament. Eventually eba bontino na say Carlos say wa read papers no be. Paper, ballot paper no worry. And the bills was saying. Now, Joe Wise and Okan Yeko about the say shoot to kill anybody who snatches a ballot box. Joe Wise, over Parliament, and a while Carlos Ahinkra snatching ballot papers. Why didn't you shoot him? You see, him could be our no snatching ballot box. You couldn't be protecting because of the woman snatching. Now where the Parliament House wa and was snatching ballot papers aye kai and no dimrika and uncle for sano. One kuno. Techiman ni necessary kuno. Ako kase techiman for ikum they were criminals. Eventually the two baby here not say Speaker of Parliament no NPP for the NDC for the AE no
and when you run net
you know say MPP for most money fair deputy speaker. Asiama ya mo se wa ba mo hui. Owo ho. E na mo yi fair deputy speaker no. Asiama wo mani wo. E na ekoyi do wise na owo dada. Second deputy speaker according to your constitution no, eni say oni fair deputy speaker no, every party krom. Nti wo mo se yen na yen no, yen NDC for. Ani ya say asiama MPP for yi wa ma. And so ye yuma inti ye ya bo asiamadi ye second deputy speaker one so diet that so be second deputy speaker this at this level ye bo no dina MPP for so and wa be second deputy speaker of parliament wo ma omu yi wuma ye no Judas for no a omu yi Jesu ma ye no e na MPP for omu yi asiama ma ye no ye na ya di asiama no obey second deputy speaker of parliament ene ye kopɛ omo me majority a asia ma wo a ye yi wa ma no MPP fo yi ama no o se me ni omo hwebom ntimedi me ho akotare MPP fo no ena wa tro letter o tintim krata ena o de ko parliament
say 1 minute order room
in the krata o tintim ye no ena speaker no e kaye ena o gina so kan se ye mra no che ye se so tintim krata no se officially odi no ho ekobo edonko mu dia na se sa donko no wo mo dodo no akosoro baako na 137 okoka ho akoye 138 nti sa na tie dia na o mo do so chei NDC fo no nti wo mo be majority in parliament say Mike adia ya nwanwa no afena adi no fight never start pa o adia no ye MPP ni o kaso call independent yi le dio sa no ye independent no kaso call MPP a yi le dio mfanu the article is there is article 96 and 90 is there in the chairman sabosu ono ani muntie former MP will lose 2 deputy speakership if he tries to become MPP caucus leader in parliament. Mr. Osei Chairman Sabosu has established that former MP Lawrence Esiama will lose his position as the second deputy speaker in parliament if he intends to become an MPP MP. He explained that the constitution does not permit 2 deputy speakers to belong to the same party. If he elects to be an MP on the ticket of the MPP, it will amount to carpet crossing, and that will result in a by-election. If he succeeds, he cannot be a deputy speaker because the constitution provides that the 2 deputy speakers should not come from the same party. In that case, he will lose his speakership. Okay. He stated during a press conference in Accra. You know what the MPP did?
No. This is a case.
One more pay will be a count. I'm 138. No more use side no. Na omo de aye majority. No more use we are. Omo aka say we are independent. No abeka ye ho as an MPP member there. Emra na kire say e see pamo free parliament.
Dem kire by election. So you by election, mama no answer.
One man on contested that. Market on the wall. One man on contested that.
But then, but of the same party. He is an independent.
And what your letter say? Letter no so kai.
Yeah, can speak on.
Letter no wakai. Say
business.
When you want yes. I do be pay. And what say you so another way be apart from say no imagine be pay no. Omo be sa hwea bom. Collaborate and median
right.
Clearly, you know, according to Chairman Sambu, media no according to Chairman Sambu, so we move from independent status, no, according to him, no, what's official, it means he's no more an independent. He's a member of the MP. Was sided with the MPP, so he's with the MPP caucus. A basa, according to Chairman Sambu. Article 96(1) or so, no. What change your status? What cross carpet? What cross carpet is what? You lose your position as a member of parliament.
Legally, let's wait and
see. You lose your position as a member of parliament.
So yeah, where's our parliamentary? Na we need majority and minority. So the some amoko parliament. Unya do Hong Kong there. You have to decide on which side because we have only two sides in parliament, majority and minority. So you have to decide on which side you want to do business with.
You want to do business with?
Yes.
But you don't right to say, I am with these people.
Okay. Bernard, on this issue. We be on one. So it means that more certain I see ama na more in everyone na what Uncle Alas say.
So the na dream trainer or tre. We dey dream. We so can dey be. Emran nkasa de Emran tell say obetimi atrelete e de ababe join ni majority side na say baba be come me majority but officially so person oba as MPP ma e be kan ho my majority simple majority yeah na this okroso carpet so parliament so Emran no e tell say or say resign.
Okay. Mame kwa omana sonko din komo emfa emra. Mame ne member of parliament for Mensia North constituency Akwesi Kunadu honorable. Honorable otenka embwa nwumre.
Me so bi.
Ara ma bi akọ de.
Ejana bi ni mo bo hinti e ho yeta.
Na enne wada efiri enra abesi nwumre watimi ada de.
Oh, I'm not talking about Mensia North from Petria before. Mensia Santamine. I'm not talking about Mensia Dara. Mama, we know the mother.
Omo call Mrasibe Jamuko Tana chamber be 4 no na kan wana.
Tonight we call parliament in Kenya. Okay, the woman said when the first time we call parliament crown which was on the 7th. We are on tomorrow on March 12 a.m. Punctuality is a matter of importance here.
Okay.
If you are there to the parliament in Kenya, you form the majority caucus in your caucus.
And the Okobe time, being.
Oh, today. Dying on the media you both need a number because punctuality is of the essence for us.
Now, someone was sitting around 10 a.m. and I'm 5.
Was it 2 a.m.?
Let me say, it's your mic. To be a record 9:59 crown before 10. But however, I think it is appropriate if you have the time because as a caucus, so is not supposed to be a home combat. If you're not doing that, so far as you have the time and the life to see it more content media. No one has to content media question Ghana mind.
Okay. On a way why Moko sitting or first time. That is saying in Samba na course when there Mrasibe Jamudaruma.
Oh, and then I call them business of the house. What we have to do is to see the players in the area. They go through correction of proceedings, vote ceremony at the end, where there are statements to the and importantly, when the parliament has to also start forming committees, so you have to have the selection committee of parliament. So that they will be in the position that they can appropriately by putting us into committees of parliament to be here. that was one of the major to be able to form the business committee of parliament. If they are there, they will form the business committee of parliament. They will see the selection committee of parliament, right? Where they will see to forming the committees of parliament and making the deal with making officer.
Oh, okay. One thing, before we corona, both leaders can was equal sharing of members in committees. Say 137, and Kabeya, ABA Interior Committee, NDC head here, Finance Committee, 9 people head. Mokoya no, and once BP your house.
The officer said the funding members of parliament that we have that amended in November 2000. And just the Senator committees, you know, apart from public accounts committee, it was chaired by the minority, you know, as a convention, that can be chaired by the majority.
Okay.
You know, yes. And the point is that Parliament has two caucuses, the majority and the minority. In as much as we have the majority caucus, there is a majority, and the majority has to take this. Because we are not necessarily, let us not take our current situation and to change all the rules and the standing level of Parliament Act. Okay. We should not, because there is a clear majority, and it has been well established by the meaning and the interpretation by the Speaker of Parliament that now having 137 and the complementary association of the independent candidate of Femina, it means that we have 130 that we refuse to form the majority. That pronouncement that has been made. If there is no ambiguity, say a JBA between the homes in going into our next financial and say there is no majority in the United States. That's a clear. It is clear that should be the same formula by which we will go along and use in several committees many are doing now. There is also a formula that has been adopted.
Okay.
People using, for instance, because there should be a majority and there should be a minority. That would also work for the business of parliament to go on. If you can't answer, there is no ambiguity about this one.
Okay, minimum say we also PM during the deliberation on the issue of who becomes the deputy speaker no. Joe Wise, our NPP ni. And I say yenya honorable Siama on also on NPP a business agree in parliament constitution also and answer Emrano also say any kwan say first and deputy speaker no first and second deputy speakers no every one party in this case will Siama lose his position as the second deputy speaker of parliament and
he will not. Why would he lose his position? You see, he is not technically, he is not a member of the NPP. He is an independent candidate. He has chosen to and not the majority or not the NPP side in the business. He still remains an independent candidate for the core parliament. You know, the second deputy speaker, by virtue of the fact you know they are an association in terms of doing business, it does not make a change into becoming an NPP person. That will require what the rules and the constitution says into the business, because there is nothing like that. If there's something of that nature, and I think it should have been moved out of parliament, you know, when it's official letter to the speaker and to the house and whereby Mr. Speaker, those ones would then have come up many other, but nothing of that nature came up. So he still continues to be the second deputy speaker of parliament and the eighth parliament of the First Republic of Ghana.
Really, Kitwa be, and you man more to them more by so much they say. Obra speaker can say or declare Mosaic no majority, not more tonium. Why were you so happy?
We are just telling everybody say I mean they say what we do, but we told everybody say we are in the majority, having the complement of our MP from Femina. We are in the majority. It is a combat now to be if parliament is a house of record. One thing you know, if the pronouncement is made based on our standing orders and our rules and conventions and best practices many are there. It goes to a form of position that has earlier on been made. It's not we would want to escalate and make everybody understand that the interpretation that we give as a training to it will be able to because we still from the majority to help me the president and have the bank for the MPP that are performing government in 2021 into 2024 and also be able to hand over to another MPP government in 2025. Wow. Everybody should be in Canada. And I'm going to touch with you at the nti no wa tem na me yɛ
okay and I say kamu we need speakership na dia nka monyo number 2 by 5 mo nya questions nya ya na se anwumre pa on we have the crew that say wala so say ochiao pa
catch us wala say me development bi obi humani
okay ya na say in fact why say usua de tempa usua de tempa yes member of parliament for Mensia North constituency na Ashanti region akwasi kunadu na mote menka si ben mo mpia chim say we there mfumso bia ni na chinji bia ni say dem ankwala say kano automatically that's your independent candidate but for name of business mo you happy as a party
oh yeah yes ni senior happy for be fan say happy because say na independent now o decide e ka say me call NDC side bia and you can say bia nya happy but now no so one ye be business ama enu nti etimi anya majority side bia e happy pa
okay minti on a Supreme Court issues are you know mani mahama at the court
say asemo court dia na ye sheda nka ho asem bibre but the American say omampanyi dada mahama Nisi kwa onye former president bi so a candidate NDC candidate Mahama oh there be sa status no say free because once why inside privilege in free akwa contest there ni kwa say
constitution man kwan so ya we
yeah the make can say na ye two abanu we on the 9th papa yi be jira TV so ye wiami o ebu ya manfo mahwemi o ye wiame yanko hia se body e betin tese medwuno kwa menti ase ye wiame nyina no afi okodu Supreme Court a osi chempe na okope aba na obi enya mi wanso begina ase wanya 148 parliamentarians ana wonso wanya 52 plus 1 vote ni nyina no
percent
yes percent ana odi oriye obekira manfo si wa win ba uko Supreme Court no wan kasa wa yade bai ne kwa chese Kufadu na elidi ye etine ede ne ye wi no na ede pa na pese oye ama manfo afa ho awu o se Donald Trump omu impeach no senke ba bia anase nisa broche ba bia enko omampanyi dada Mahama enko obegina mra no because we incite amanfo se wa win eniti ye wia omuntinsi street manfo prepra ase omam japade de enti se na afi na okodu court a o se chempe ono nka so ogun ho animu ase na me de make kan say court judges no omunim nyansa yie pa hwo se do mutitie no a enu ti na emra no e ka se de emra no ewo omunsem so ti ase omune law no enti no minim so ombeye omune emaye na case ndie me de me judge de but say de kono anya de a ebeduru a bia because my main cancer ba ku twato wo hwa case omode koye no wo si ECI mistakes mo so mo kwa mo petition omode koye mistakes in kwa eti oda bi and mistake one so ni say mistake yeah uni say mistake ho ana so obi a mistake uni say mistake e wo ho nipa ya bo mistake akan nipa ho nipa betima mistake at any point in time meboa adenti na wo can say easy no I mistake but so they how they qualify a mistake more than easy we dey a grave mistake
affect the outcome of the result
yes na so on so bit me the question my anya amendment e ka ba affect omoyi because edu ba bi no wo say who use first respondent no
as a second respondent
yes a grave mistake na it is a won so na mo lawyers it is our lawyers na it na ba omi kind of bia say they don't do proof reading omun read omu de ehia say na won kika bi sa omu ready omu kro omu ade ye si e kan pa de and this form pen kam lawyers e kuku dan for omu na mo se se mo lawyers en ko nto mo ready etu kwa akoye we can say old school na lecturer bi amiezi o si bibia de be kwa outside na so ye proof reading ansa na waye etu lawyers na nto omu nim so ye o trade bibi de ko aba public domain na obe proof reading
okay. I say good evening, Sir Mike. Please, I'm enjoying your show. Kindly tell the NDC man to have it cool with us because we are leading this country. Okay, Jonas Eddie, I don't know. We say good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm Wazi from Ahenema Kokobe. I'm a mason. I used to receive 70 cedis a day, and I eat some and use some for TNT. How can I manage my money? Please ask the man for me. Wazi, next week, you question to me at the amount. Hi, Sir Mike. Honorable Babin had a brilliant speech to parliamentarians today. It was so superb. I believe he will work his talk from Thomas Jan Joso Tommy Ediode Abba and Tommy. A very good evening. Good evening, Sir Mike. I sincerely salute my assembly member, Honorable Bernard Techi. All we need is to empower the youth. Thanks. Abba and we say, please. Good evening, Kumawu TV. The NPP man should be ashamed of himself. He don't even deserve to be a communicator. Looking at his he didn't. Okay, I think said comment I'll make here. No, some people are not happy. Good evening, Mr. Host. I am Eric, popularly known as MC Anwofe. Big ups to Ben Gazi for the steps taken within the constituency. NDC party have nothing good for Ghanaians. Let's forget about them. Alpha Patriot PRO from Efija Secretary East constituency. And Abba. Mr. Host, Ignatius from Takrade. Honorable Speaker said they are majority group in Parliament, not majority in Parliament. Please, NPP should forget it. Mente Odiana CE. Was it hello? Somaila from Aguna. Please don't invite my honorable again. Okay, all right. We say after the flipping NDC are not able to take the majority. It's very shameful to Asirun Ketia Utukono and Sami Jemfi, fireman Kaswa and a fire day every day. Abba, Honorable Bernard, indeed you are talking in confidence. I trust you, but I am telling NDC people to be selective when it comes in program like this, because we are no more kid in politics. I'm telling them that NDC party will never ever become power or be in power. I think that's what we want to write. Thy kingdom come by Chairman Blankson Solomon Aguna Abrakaso, aka Brakaso, aka Efija Secretary East Constituency, Kilatu, best dancer. Okay, best dancer. So they were the one day people of Ghana will stop giving us gratia to Ghanaian MPs. Is the best of my knowledge. To the best of my knowledge, to the people of Ghana, God bless our nation, Ghana. Amen. Good evening, sir. Tell the MPP man in your studio that what Muntaka did was in the defense of our constitution. Justice Sunyane and Justice Sudi free for the Abba. Sawalas.
Yeah.
Mint you.
Mamentia manager, you know, Abua Sunyame.
Okay.
Opposite Casapreco. Can Royal filling station.
Oh, okay.
The Mammy Efri.
A manager.
Now what you send 29.
Okay.
And you so you also Genasi.
Oh, Genasi, I know the place.
Your friend when you are Kwam Kalo.
Okay.
One will be a friend. 2 weeks today, we had not to go to say Ochina. Nana Adodanko Akufuado, President elect and sworn in by the Chief Justice of Ghana. And now was say authority through the Chief of Staff. Ofiyeho,
I understand that we are a critical Chief of Staff for now. After 6 months,
yes,
a year back.
Sana before time na Kwadum Pieni on the free to just East.
Oh, and then what they would see NPP baby and Chief of Staff no free more.
1996 rolling style no free Damasi can buy me buy.
Still I'm come
if you just East Chief of Staff. Hey, the crab beyond the constituency Yaguso. Yeah,
okay. And it's very good.
Aba.
Okay.
Na na Muguso. Na Muguso na be.
1.0 conformity of the acting minister. Go to the record, Supreme Court records. 30th May 1997. na then JJ Rawlings ye win in 1996 no wa appoint Nkrofo bi say omo nkoso nya djuma JH Mensah went to court to challenge the capacity of the president to let somebody act as a minister. Intimo call Adia, Ghana celebrities. Supreme Court with the main address na minim title no. Supreme Court rules on ministers. Friday 30th May 1997. The Supreme Court has unanimously decided that every nominee of the president for ministerial appointment, whether retained or new, requires prior approval of Parliament. The court was given its judgment yesterday in the case in which Mr. J.H. Mensah plaintiff, the minority leader in Parliament, challenged the constitutional status of retained ministers in the second government of the Fourth Republic. Okay, third paragraph now. Or say, no, fifth paragraph rather. Given his dissenting opinion, Mr. Justice Akin said it was untenable for ministers of state and their deputies to continue in office without prior approval by the current parliament. He said the ministers of state and their deputies had no independent existence and their tenure of office should end with the president every 4 years. Mr. Justice Akin favored the plaintiff contention that the term prior approval meant assessing security and vetting in ensuring that whenever was being approved met required standards. The last paragraph will say, Ms. Ekufu, one of the guests, agreed that prior approval should relate to both old and new ministers and that it should not be a term of art. Indeed, Nana Adedan Kwakufu Ado Akase say, one they call Pa Adio, Supreme Court in 1997.
Okay.
Say, you need to be a friend of acting minister. If you will move, move. President no term no so ya this of parliament the former new parliament no obi any ho minister obi any ho hold executive positions in
that is 97 97 na bin si bi
obi an test sa we no and apply afraid na Haruna Edusu aka say there's nothing like an acting minister.
But I saw a letter Haruna Edusu so no John Dramani Mahama winning, you know, communication.
Exactly.
Or man letter
exactly. It was wrong at the time and nobody contested it.
Oh, okay. It was wrong at that time.
According to this ruling.
Yeah, and Haruna did not see it as wrong. At that time.
Yes. What you want to describe the house if I come?
Not to say, oh, man, who don't, it's only wrong.
Who knows? I didn't know, and yet, okay. And yet, necessarily, I didn't know MPP more. Okay. Or more fan call to say, away, Muno, and yet they are in this in the record. In the MPP near the call 1997. Say Parliament no and the 4 years now.
Yeah, and the BBR.
In the friend say ministries. What do you call it?
Chief directors.
Chief directors.
Yeah, they are supposed to be. Chief directors.
Chief directors are supposed to take over. Municipalities, district, at the assemblies, no. Yeah. Coordinating directors take over. In the ensure letter, my country was said somebody should act as whatever a minister.
And I say you buswa because
buswa check.
Prof Mills time obuso.
Time obuso. Mahama time obuso. After na yachi.
Okay.
Ya dwena ko emra no so say na sa na emra no e kire. So okay. Enti Nana Adedan Kwakufu Ado and the Supreme Court 2013. It was on to me once. Bosome emotwe from January to 29th of the same birthday. And it was Nana the Okano.
You said the same month.
And it's here. Bosome emotwe now the Ghana Atnawa. It's here by a way, no.
Okay.
And the Supreme Court judges no can say. Yeah, the Abbas will be the petition be back on the presidential Adina. Yeah, the 42 days. There's a Diana Asantimuno. Yeah. And the BDS and here we are, no. And I John Dramani Mahama, former president, say no. Mentino Wasi. Na Abano. And court said the
no say a court.
One court said the electoral commissioner ever declare intermediate minimum for this. But I be saying say you can see how we say you call you know you say adi you said that
I'm said that
you be here running mate
and I'm
you be here running mate no
never one no
omo mu we no nya president na no mo contest o na parliamentary no Techima na parliamentary
David Accra sa ayina demonstrations omo ye omo se omo njapade omo se omo njapade no na to mo se da na wo ka omo na ase market no
na do bia nu
angwana mo se da for asmo me
ye be ye running mate
I'm surprised
yeah
elmo adi Alex Mood Joshua Alabi we ubon dia nine people wanna start no omo brady dozia that person nti omo target ni ba 5-6 bi omo 20 bebo ba akudi e kwa na pew ye bo na ni ko biadjuma omo hu de omo ye
okay
I'm prepared because nobody thought ever said be ko nti when you see a winning by this we and omo start omo gigi pinches omo to omo ni 50 million 500 we ye call ni say pam no twa no dia for em pese e mo maduma tintin dia dia James Sana Kano Wednesday the 9th of December na eni nyina na mo ha 9th of December no o say Ekufuado no e presidential
say ele person fa course na me naso
go so nyaaye do do e say
o ma me wrap up
John Dramani Mahama di nyaaye e say o di Ekufuado di na nyaaye no e divide total value broadcast or mention here now the multiply 100 President Ekufuado nya 51.95% into a declare as a winner. And you call me here and say, Mammy, you walk can. You wow can no. Offer for the Unia no. Now divided by total number of value broadcast now wow can now the multiply 100 cry. When you're 50.09.
No, we need no.
Or many because touching my mind. Some Americans are without touching my. Okay. Until touching my no become one. President Ekufuado over 49 point something. Mahama's over 47.
Someone with the Munya saying
52,000.
Ana MP nya saying
46,000.
What the count be saying?
I will be below 50%.
One year mo share that na mo ka tell Ghana.
Say the be ya wo muntimi.
Say the be ya MP before no.
Say dim see awon na mom ya kọ na ekaya na obi abehu de e.
Okay. Right. I was abi ahoma na 0202668461 0202668462. Oba no wale the volume of a TV set na yetimi active nka eye. Obetimi afre na afi yetimi active nka. Omo share that.
How dear me dey make us baby dey say wallace aka me ho adwire me papa e ti say dey onam kumase kegeti na wo hye obi ana ho ye wahi no e konfo e bunu kun wi a wo se me sheda na kan hey sadi we dey very serious ahipa o wo sheda say wo so wa win wo so wa win do figures yaba so wa win am konfo atiesi street ase o ma japade dey enti say na say ene wo betra ka say wa sheda dey na just say bi because we are mamofo. Oh yes. Because I didn't swear winning. I'm a man for himself more win. My catch him support the same winning. Now Tajima is someone who came. Was mumu calculate calculation on way no. See the nyina be kan omo ho a. Ekufuado enya 51% na enya no.
So ese omunya
because na meanwhile no so no. Mo anya Tajima vote nya nyina na munya
Maka do munya no. Na o se omunya no.
Calculation no on pe calculate ye.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, be free. Nana ya ma o TV volume nko from na yenti o why wada roma. Nana yenti o.
Never have a car. And it's your and if I am from my Ghana,
okay. Nana, yes. Okay. Nana will bend also. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, hello.
Good evening, be free.
International President. Sherak, Mchapa, Dakupini. Sherak, Mchapa. Na kunche Mchawalas. Na memona baso papa. Anthony. This MC Nebeba. Uze baby obedience. Uze mebubun kunidi. Wala so boy duma pa dem bi ci ankasa e mi ci na honorable isimichiano me sena so person political ambition economy na omra from Kakra because omo just that type of politics no omo ye no omo gata for omo from no e say ko mu jai ba champion ba de unye wa no kekesa e from na o politician no be TV so be radio so honorable me so advance am dey mo ye and you two am from mo jai
okay
who dey attempt as o ye dey o party for na ni be gino e mo wan kasa Mr. Omenko, but me too for over where Dominion and all.
Hello, good evening. Okay, I see you are doing a great job, Honorable Bernard. The youth of such a East constituency are proud of you. Long live NPP. Safian from Damasi. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, be free.
Peter, you make us free. Be in the western of.
Piero Mintio.
Near American MPP for I have no peace MPP for young Quatiafuana. Every time about no more real. Anna, I don't know, air court now, air corner. One number to say, we may really, and I say, we, and I lose you. And I don't know, say, I can't say, you're really, not say, I can't say, I don't know, well, you grandpa, I don't know, see, and I say, to say, no, yeah, see, that, no, and also, I did be a hardway. And yeah, did be a hardway, and I know the MPP for no, you know.
Okay. Yanasi. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Where's the good evening, sir? Nana Yao. Greetings, Bernard. Okay, we hope. We have hope in Nanado. Hello, good evening.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
We need to be free.
Never saw me. That's free. I'm gonna be the master.
Okay, yes, you.
Never saw, and this cinema was the one. Woman can some now can they because I saw can they see so. About me, I did tell you another name, and I thought next nation. And this in Alpha, and since I can only now, but no, so much damn one wife.
Okay, but I say, okay, Memfa last caller, I'm running to Ivana, Memfa AC Ewaha. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Abandon there, free.
The friend of now.
Okay, Ross, I'm into you.
But MPP for them. Two things in the Cassandra, Ghana, your money. Yeah, she are talking for my name and she said, the party, if you're an animal, MPP about anybody. Police station is Ghana. MPP really Ghana, what Ghana, if you ever tell them, I can't talk about we also got the
all right. Mr. Yanasi, you have a friend for Nusia. Now, Yanamasi, throughout the week, Mondays to Fridays, na money at ABC and I mean, some of na on come on. I mean, about Monday, next week, you better sign at Nancy. Say, you call. Okay, let's make Fakola week. What's your favor? Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. You have a free.
It's very man.
Okay, are you married too?
If I don't communicate, I know can do 27 years, but communicate, I should not make a sign in my head. Man, I was already see any bad tea in the view, you will be here now.
That I see. Okay, that's my fault. You're Yako.
And around the Supreme Court.
Aye.
And NDC for the Asamako. There's a video circulating on social media. Na Tikata Kasawi, see a change.
Yeah.
There was an MPP lawyer. And all responded. All responded. Can be the and justice no bakubusan say. Now, have you never made a mistake? No, see, I have made a mistake before. What did your count for us? That is why I was entreating the first petitioner to to be sympathetic with the mistakes the electoral commissioner made. Let them play. What say? My mistake. Okay. My own from Sola. Onuntina me can say. Don Mahama de Okoye and Francois electoral commissioner here no. Yes, and call the check. And you wouldn't so I am Francois and Yako Supreme Court say Sanford so Supreme Court and Coretino there will be a runoff.
Future Ebasadi and what be
oh yeah we know we don't
DC Eba district is Secretary South.
South district.
If
you come in 8.
Ebia 2024 echi baby ewie omi edi ni
wo fa akopa dia 2024
omi edi ni die ewie na obi amaba enti the American say ndc fo ohun Ghana fo atro ndc fo atwa kire ye nyina o say ene ada edi say wala say omo say da na kan so mo awe ni enti mumi eni na ho na mesre NPP before say afen aban no yaba second term ni start enti munya ahotoso say aban ne be ye enyuma die nyina mo na afen so MC ahofo nyame adoma on the 7th oye aifro kama MC ahofo
7th of the year on the
7th of February yes oye wedding enunti no especially amanfo nyina ewo agona
honorable
announcement
Bernard Achiman Techi NPP deputy youth organizer Efija Secretary East constituency honorable assembly member Dawu Tabre electoral area ena motini kansanso ena Sir Wallace Abebiu future Secretary West Secretary South DCE or administrator dema NDC in Asante region otini kamide de Michael Nana Aduma cover from Sir Mike nyame dom no dom ya Monday the best sign Asia over the week aboye one edijuma bomodin say next week ene say Asia ba hwe ye kopem say ejuade bedu no onyame onka ho na onkoso a enhwe so yakra
good
ati oi
honey never surprise o Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who dread there you could brew musa dawo complaining with sisi ni koko a epe ajiwakade Edusa herbal mixture any